Hello friends, welcome to my channel Programming with Rehan, and it is my HTML class or series, and I hope you enjoy this class or series. And in this class, I will tell you heading and text. I will cover the fifth part of HTML. It is my sixth part, and in sixth part I will show you heading text in HTML, no CSS use. And I hope you enjoy this class. Enjoy, like my video, share your friends, subscribe to my channel, and please share my videos with your friends, families, neighbors, cousins, and anyone and someone else. Okay? So please subscribe to the video, subscribe my channel, so and all the notification bell, so you can browse my new videos first of all. Okay? So I will not take you a long time. So sorry, my video is not coming in the my story and many days. Okay, so I will not take you a long time. So let's start. So I will so refresh. So I will make the file on my desktop. Here you can see it. You can make the file. Okay, and first of all I will go Google Chrome. So now let's start the video. What is heading and what is text? And first of all, here you can write HTML, and in title you can write anything, but here I will write heading and text because we are learning depth in this class. So refresh. So here in upside here you can see heading and text is come. So heading is, you can write H1. Here I will write the story of animal. Then save, then refresh. It is my heading. Then you can go here B, and here you can write the little fox and the lazy dog. Save, refresh. So here you can see it. It is my heading and it is my text. And here you can copy that. Then you can paste many times of text. Many times you can paste on text. Here I pasted, and here you can see it many times. Here is come. Then you can copy it via tag. Then paste. Then copy it. Then go, then paste, then save, then refresh. So here you can see the many times the header is come and the text is come, and it is a header. The story of animal is a header. You can give any header you can like, and it is a text. Okay, and you can write anything right here. Okay, so I will heading and text, and first of all, and in body you can write that all the thing, not write on header, because I will tell you in my next class. Because you can write header, anything on header, it is not styled. Okay, and here you can see it. So I will tell you who heading and text. It is my heading and it is my text. And here you can write anything, and you can style it like style, color. You can glue, and here you can give anything from here and there. Okay, so here you can go here and you can color give. Here you can give color red. You can give any color from here. You can pick any color, and here you can see it. I will tell you what is heading and text using only HTML. Here you can see it, and I hope you can write anything from here in your heading, and I hope someone you can learn in this class. Someone learn with this class how to use it, what is heading and text, and I hope you can understand it, and I hope you enjoy this class, and I will also enjoy it, and I enjoyed it too. So please like my video, share your friends, from your neighbors, your families, and your anyone. Okay, so for today, goodbye.